I'll show you how you can transfer from the Zenith bank into another bank. Now, there's a couple of methods we can do this. First off, we can do a bank code method. Now, the way we can do this is that I'm going to show you a USDT code table for the Zenith bank right now. Now, you can see if you have that code, now you just have to go to the transfer code from the Zenith bank, which is star 966 hashtag, and the for transaction to go through, the number you use should be linked to your account. To complete the transaction, you just have to dial star 966 star amount star account number, and then just follow the prompts, right? But that's a bit complicated. So if you want to instead do it from the mobile app, of course, you just have to download the app and then you'll have to log in. And then when you open the app, there should be a transfer option right there on the app right now, right? After you click on the transfer option, there should be an option to transfer to another bank. And then you have to enter in all the required details. And then you just have to follow the on-screen prompt to continue with your transfer. And then that's it. You're done. That's the general step that I could show you. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.